As our Lazada Seller Beginner's Guide series comes to an end, for sure, as an online business store owner, we are able to spend some time to reflect on and apply the lessons we learned over the past few videos. I hope that during this phase, your 30, 60, 90 days with Lazada, you are now able to think about what you can do to make your store better and how you can reach your business goals. To some of you, for sure, you also have realized that starting an e-commerce business is hard work and demands many steps and decisions that need to come together at the right time. So in today's video, our last video for this series, I have put together a guide or actionable steps that you can take for your online store to grow. With my 10-year experience in e-commerce, these are proven tactics and I'm sharing to you for free. So stick around if you want to know more. Hello everyone, your Mama Betcha here and welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how you can be successful in your online selling, I give tips, best practices, tutorials, and other interesting things in my channel. So please consider subscribing and click the bell notification to see my newly posted videos. So in our series, we have learned the basic fundamentals of selling using the Lazada platform. And there are questions that I usually encountered in my channel, questions like, Yo Mama Betcha, my store is already on its 60th day and I did not get any sale yet. How can I sustain or improve the performance of my online store to ensure that it will grow in the next few years? So to answer your questions, let's get right on to this actionable guide for your e-commerce store. Now that you are in your 30 to 60 days of launching your online store, the hard work of marketing your product begins. And the best way to do that is by driving traffic to your store. So let me share a variety marketing tactics that will help you in your first months. So here are the following. Number one, join campaigns. I cannot stress enough the importance of joining campaigns in the platform. These are the times where platforms gives a free boost of your products, so joining really is a must. So be strategic in joining though, as it will highly impact the pricing of your product. So make sure that at the end of the day, you still generate profit in your stores. Number two, do your product listings weekly. While it's very efficient to post your products all at once, per my experience, it's best to post your products on a weekly basis so your store followers has something to look forward to. Give your customers the excitement that they want, and doing this can also help boost your store and products visibility in the platform's algorithm. Number three, drive traffic from social. So this is where social media marketing strategy comes in. Aside from getting followers in your homepage, let's start with the basic in getting more followers from your dedicated social media accounts for your online stores. Social medias like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Make sure that the store URL are always linked in your bio. Next, drive traffic and conversion from paid ads. You can run paid social media ad campaigns like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and TikTok ads. This, I want you to take a precaution, as this needs to be executed the right way, or else it will be a waste of money when it's not done correctly. I suggest that you learn Facebook ads for beginners first. There are lots of tutorials out there that you can learn from. Next, engage in conversation on social media. Proactively engage on Facebook groups, post your store, and what are the products you offer. Get your family and friends to share your store link. You can also drive excitement with contests and giveaways. Next, optimize your store for higher conversions. Make use of CEM. Did you know that you can drive sales and revenue through chat? Make use of the tool CEM, or customer engagement tool. I already made the tutorial about CEM, so please visit that video in our Lazada Seller Beginner's Guide series playlist. Use analytics to uncover insights by using Business Advisor. There are no other platforms locally that gives you data and analytics like Lazada. So take advantage and use Business Advisor. Business Advisor, or BA, provides business insights on various aspects of your online business. The Business Advisor section presents valuable data and opportunities for business growth. Here are also the things that you can do with Business Advisor. So let me just flash it on our screen right now. And last but not the least, reach new audiences with influencer marketing. I have done influencer marketing since 2014 by sending samples to vloggers or influencers just like this one, maybe to your right, to your left. So let me insert this pic. That's Nana Isha, one of the vlogger that I followed, and also Miss Catherine Hermosa. So try to reach out to vloggers, and this will definitely help your store or brand a boost of sales and followers. 8 tactics for today's video, a symbol of infinity, because learning in e-commerce is never ending. Get more traffic, get more customers. More traffic to your online store means opportunities to turn these casual shoppers into paying customers. Increasing traffic starts with picking a tactic and getting started. So you can start with the first 4 I mentioned and do the rest after. Please do remember that a good digital marketing strategy is about layering short-term and long-term tactics so they work together or in tandem. If you have a question you would like me to answer, please leave a comment below. And if you're starting to sell products online using the Lazada platform, I have a playlist. It's entitled Lazada Seller Beginner's Guide series. So go visit them. It will teach you the basic fundamentals on how you can start selling with Lazada. And if you notice, this is an English tutorial due to the insistent demand of our Southeast Asian counterparts, people who watches my channel from Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!